people in China are optimistic. Over 70% of people in China are optimistic about AI, and less than 30% in America are optimistic about AI.
We have placed the largest bet in American history on the proposition that this country will win the next century of technology.
We won the Industrial Revolution, and we did that because we had superior technology, and here we are on the dawn of a new technological revolution, the AI revolution. Every interesting company that gets started is a technology company now. America does give everybody a chance, and entrepreneurs can really count on that.
If America loses its technology,
but advances humanity. And it really kind of comes down to, do people have a chance to contribute? Because when people have a chance to contribute, then they can have an impact, and then they can kind of advance the state of things for everybody. And there's really been no country in the world that comes close to America.
America's founding principles, particularly the self-evident truths that rights come from a higher source, make the country uniquely irreplaceable for technological entrepreneurship and dominance. The U.S. is catching up faster than expected in integrating AI with government, but its optimism about AI, under 30%, dramatically trails China's, over 70%, posing a strategic vulnerability. AI has immense positive potential, ending traffic deaths, curing cancer, and ending poverty, which should receive as much attention as potential risks to avoid ceding the future to competitors.